The cheapest blades on Amazon.
This is the tallest Carlos has been ever in his life.
So this is what it's like, huh?
Now it's 5'3". Hey you guys, we're here today with special guest, Be Free.
What's up, man?
Welcome,
Thank you guys for
welcome.
having me.
You guys may remember him. You better remember him from the best rollerbladers in the entire world video, which killed it. You guys all crushed it.
Shout out to everybody that showed up.
I did an ollie.
And he ollied the 5 in it. A lot of very great things happened in that video. So we're here today to continue the blading series with these. The Cougar Breeze on wheels. I thought in my man cave of video production ideas, I said, be free, blading, put them together. But wait, there's more. It has to be harder for him because he makes it look so easy. Let's get the cheapest blades on Amazon and put them to the test with professional blader, Be Free. I'm gonna let you pop these open.
These were what, $6?
These were $60.
60 bucks?
These are the ones I chose. There are a lot of options for $60 on Amazon, but these are the ones I chose. These are Cougars, bro.
Yo, these ain't even that bad, bro. This is all right. Look at that. They got the color wave crazy, but it's okay. They got some, the shell's good. It's a plastic shell. Got a cuff on it.
Let's see some actual like really good ones so we can kind of compare what they look like.
So as you can see the difference of the skates, I mean, these skates would have a sole plate, yeah, the leather on it obviously too. Everything that's actually made to grind and do the tricks. We might have to do some little MacGyvering and take these wheels out if we're gonna do some grinding. If you were just to get these skates out and for the first time, this would be a great introduction to just learning how to find your balance.
So you think we should just take these off first?
Ride them out and check them out, but we could take them out to try to do grinds in them later. Because when you first started like going from rec skating or just like cruising around to trying to do like aggressive skating and doing tricks, first thing you would do is take the 2 wheels out so you can grind on stuff. This is fun. Let's try it.
All right, let's
see
do
what
it.
happens.
And we have Nigel Jones over here.
I'm laced up.
And we have Fetty Potter. I'm Gabe, and I have the electric blades. They're charging right now, though.
Yeah.
They'll be ready in a few minutes.
All right,
And
let's try these
Carlos.
on. They even come with the tool. Yo, that's how they know. Yo, they got the 45 strap. So 45 strap is usually good for that ankle support right there. Oh man.
Oh no! Body! Oh no! Dan, where are your blades at?
They're size like 7. I tried putting them on, they almost destroyed my legs.
There's an extra pair for you over there.
That's this pair.
Oh, you can tell I'm not.
All right, how are they feeling?
Not bad. 60 bucks skates. I mean, you definitely are getting the basics. This is definitely a basic skate.
And I guess I should ask, how much is, for example, a pair of these?
If you're gonna get something like this, it'd be more like 150 bucks or so.
Okay.
These skates are actually designed to handle a certain kind of movements. So already with this one, look how far the bend is. Ready? That's crazy.
I don't know if that looks safe.
I don't know. That looks a little scary. So you're gonna have to be very on point with the tricks that you do. Obviously, I'm excited. Are you excited? I'm excited.
I'm excited. Nigel, what do you think is gonna happen?
He's gonna kill it. It's Brian Freeman. Speed free. He kills it.
There you go, Troy. Now we're talking. Yeah.
So I can keep up, you know?
This is what it would look like if you didn't know what you were doing.
Oh, so one of them has a brake on it, the other doesn't?
Yeah. So normally any like skate that you would get, that's a rec style skate, they always have a brake on it. It's always on the right foot. So if you're a left footer, you're gonna have to take the brake off and put it on your left side. So brakes are dangerous. I almost want to take it off right now. Oh, dude, I haven't used a brake in so long. Look at that. Oh snap. Oh, look at that. So right off the bat, if I lean too much forward, I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. But other than that, you're standing up, so that's the goal, right? Oh my God, I have a brake.
Oh.
Oh my God. Oh, you could definitely do stuff. Woo. So maybe I should try to say that the most real thing is that if you do not control your body weight on the skates, you can, they're gonna go. It is scary for some tricks, definitely, because there's no support right here. But that's okay. Let's try it. Oh my God! Okay, that was scary, bro. I'm not gonna lie. And I feel like when I jump, my feet are coming through all this airy little holes right here. Oh God.
Go higher, Carlos.
Go higher. Feet get it. Oh, never mind.
It's crazy because you make it look so easy. I feel like I could do it. And then I see freaking Carlos, who's good at everything, try it and fall like that. And I'm like, no. Look at you, Nigel. Practice from that video, looking all strong. Oh!
That's the hardest thing too. Like I have, look, you see how my wheels do not stay on there? That's why if we take the two wheels out, we could probably see about trying to grind something. Have your dominant foot kind of be back, put the opposite foot on the coping first, and kind of do like a step in. You can do it like that. And that spot right there? Yeah.
Oh! Yeah, boy!
He's an expert, man. He's an expert right here.
Yeah!
You were leaning a little bit forward, so that's the only thing. Kind of like lean forward for a little bit and then straight back out. Ooh, that was scary.
Wow.
This is fish brain.
Fish brain!
So that I'm doing in the skates are super scary. There's not much support, but it's like I'm literally skating on air.
That was the funniest thing I've ever seen. That was amazing. Nigel, get his back. Get his back, brother.
That's crazy.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
270.
Oh yeah!
Oh, dang it! I tried to land that one.
How did you end up upside down?
I don't know.
Right here, send it, Los.
There's no sole plate right here. Now look at his. He has all this space right here.
Oh, wow.
Bow that knee in a little bit so you can kind of lean in it. So you're grinding on the side, yeah. You can even like tap it and cheat too. You can do the 270 like this. And then just, and then when you get comfortable at it, you just drop in.
Brother, it's full send around here. That's hard.
I'm trying to grind.
No.
You're not ready for this, brother.
I'm ready.
Clear the way!
He gonna fly!
I'm sending it. I didn't expect it! It worked!
Oh my god! Yo!
Feel my heart right now.
Oh my god!
That was terrifying.
Check your heart rate on your watch. It's gotta be at like 120. Carlos! 114. Wait, let me see. 114.
119.
Okay. It's full send around here, brother.
Full send season, brother. Oh my god!
Oh!
I got
Oh, that was the worst case scenario.
I got scared. I hesitated.
It's full send around here, brother.
So I could basically probably feel where the screw bolts are at. I felt like I would land on cement, but these are definitely not meant for that. I'm impressed. Oh my god! Okay.
Yeah.
Insanity, man.
Oh Jesus! Oh my god!
I'm gonna be 100% honest. Blading does not get the respect that it deserves, because this is not easy. Like, it's not. You think I can make it through there?
I think you can. I think you can. I think you should, and I think you can.
Oh my god! Okay.
What in the world? Oh my god! He just 360'd it, Nigel.
I watched it from here.
I think we should saw the brakes off and take the two wheels off, and then you can try some grinds on them.
So if you get skates and you want to start grinding and doing tricks, this is how you do it. You gotta take that off, take the wheel out, pop that off, put that back on there. The only thing with this, sometimes the screw will kind of stick out a little bit because the bolt's supposed to be, you know, this is supposed to be on it because that's how it's designed. So it'll stick out a little bit.
Blading is insane.
So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna take these middle wheels off so then that we can try to see about grinding, which is probably gonna be crazy. Trying to relearn how to walk. So what we're gonna do now is try to hope that we can grind in this little spot right here. This is a really, 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 really cheap plastic, so it should be interesting to see what happens. If I was like just starting how to skate and I didn't have those kind of skates and I wanted to do it so bad, this is exactly what I would do. I would take whatever skate I got, take the wheels out, and start grinding.
I remember the exact day I stopped rollerblading. I was doing the front side slide and I tried to get out and it didn't work. I like ran in the air and then I don't know, for some reason my hands went like this and my head just went boom, and I just like got the biggest knot in my head and I was like, yep, I'm done with my rollerblading career.
Yeah, let's go to the top up here. Now that I took the brake off, it feels a lot more natural. Yeah, not as scary. There's only a weird space to grind on here. They're not really meant to do it, so we're going to try.
He's gone.
Okay.
This is kind of a bad spot for the rail.
This is hard, but it's good. It's fine. It's safe up here. You just gotta watch.
Dude, if that was me, I would have been like 10 feet that way already down the stairs.
Count it.
If you're going this way, it's the front side. Oh, okay. That was a test. That worked. Okay.
I've done this before and I'm terrified.
Send it! Oh!
This is terrifying.
Yo, that's it right there. Hey, get him. Get his back. Actually a little scarier than I thought, for real. That is like super scary. If I can do a soul grind on there, that would be like the most amazing thing. You saw how earlier it doesn't really lock onto it. So it's like a toe grind. It's like only this part is locking on, not this back part. So it kind of like, oh. All right, ready?
You got that.
Oh!
Dude.
Oh my God!
What did you think was gonna happen?
I don't know. Oh my God, I was trying to firecracker.
I would like to go home. I would like you to send Beat Free home so I can go and take a nap. That was,
Thanks,
wow.
man. How you feel?
Amazing and terrified at the same time. The main thing is, my biggest fear is, since you can't kick out with blades, is like landing and then just ejecto-cedo, cause
Every time that I've been jumping, I've noticed that the frame is coming off. So this has to be locked. Really? So every time I've been jumping and doing something, the frame skate has been coming off. So you have to be careful.
I like corn nuts.
They hurt, man.
Just so you guys know, this is the first time he fell down this whole video.
just like when you turned and you looked and you were like, oh!
You know what? My whole feet came up out of the skate.
Oh no.
As soon as I turned, like my whole, like this whole liner part came up out of it.
Full send, brother. Back to back. Wow. Oh my God.
That's the definition of full send right there.
I do want to try how far this jump is right there.
Long distance jumping, I think we can call it there, bro. Those things surprisingly have held up. I thought they were gonna explode.
I thought they were gonna explode, but
Yeah. We all agree that we thought the skates were gonna explode. Hey, how far do you think he's gonna get, Nigel? Make your prediction.
right here.
All right, you're all clear.
I was pretty much right. I was like right here, which is far as all hell.
That is a good 12, 15 feet right there.
15 Cthulhu's right there.
That is far. All right, I'm gonna be the marker.
Get it?
All right, ready?
Yep.
Dude, he
freaking flies on those things, man. Woo!
Did you fall?
I did all.
Oh
I
my
did
God,
die.
careful.
Well, the angle looked good for a second.
Almost 17 feet.
So 17 feet.
17 feet.
If I ran as fast as I could on my bare feet and jumped, I definitely could not make that.
No, there's no way.
Man.
I could try it.
Yeah, you should.
but-
I got you. Gabe's about to try to jump this long jump right now on foot.
I literally been embarrassed myself.
Nah, you got it. Right here.
I don't get how you boost it like that.
It's about 14 feet right there.
All right, whenever you're ready.
That was another like 1.5 or 2 feet after what he already just did.
You win. You win. Oh my God. You would say though, after testing these out, for beginners, not that bad though.
Perfect for beginners.
Perfect for beginners.
Perfect for intro level. Just you got to work with what you got
Yeah,
and
absolutely.
be grateful for that.
Exactly. That's why we tell you guys, if you get like a Walmart board, it's not the best, but if you're learning how to skateboard, you can ollie on it and it's whatever.
Yep. Just think about it, you're doing something that someone else isn't doing. So just start there.
Exactly. I think we can call it there.
Okay. World's cheapest skates. Thank you, sir. Thank you for having
18
me.
feet on the cheapest blades on Amazon. They're not even like professional blades.
No.
And he boosted 18 feet. I can't jump that far on my own feet. Unbelievable. Shout out to everything, my friend, because you are incredible.
Shout out to Flying Eagle Skates, Eulogy Wheels, Create Original Frames, Be Free Blading Academy. Come sign up for some lessons. Yeah, pretty much everyone. Bone Swiss Bearings. Shout out to you guys. PAL Skateboards, all you guys, Peralta. Yeah, all JSF, LST, Blader Gang Worldwide, and the Braille homies for sure. Nigel, you guys. Everybody over here, you probably can't see it, but they're eating. These guys are in here too. Yeah.
Love chip.
Yeah, and shout out to you guys for watching and staying tuned. Sure, appreciate y'all.
There are some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and learn how to skateboard, but also learn how to blade. This guy right here, he's the freaking master.
Thank you. I was trying to hop on the board too.
Exactly, yeah.
You know, it's just all.
He just did one of the best kickflips I've seen here. Boom. Thanks for watching.
Peace.